Welcome back. Welcome so much. Today I'll be teaching you how to make amazing organic rose water with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. Rose water has so much benefits. If this is going to interest you, stay here and we will make some rose water with So here I have both dry and fresh roses. So we're going to be making this rose water with fresh roses. So you need some water, and also when you're buying your roses, make sure that your roses are organic roses. So you want to pluck them out because we want to wash it in water to get rid of the pesticides. So pluck them out as much. The more rosier, the better. The rosier, the better. More roses, much better. I will also add the different color of roses. I love using distilled water. If you don't have distilled water, use regular tap water. So you want to pour some water into the pot. Not too much water. At this time, you want to wash your roses. Like I said, if you have money or if you have access to organic roses, use organic roses. If you don't have, use any one you find from the store. You want to put it inside the pot. And we're going to boil this on the stove. So bring the stove to medium. And you want to cover it up to boil. You want to cover that up to cook or to boil. At this time, the rose has begun to change color, and you can see that the water is turning into rose color, and then you can turn off the stove. Turn it off and wait for this water to cool down. So after a few hours, the water has cooled down, and you want to strain the water. So I want you to bear in mind that the amount of roses you put in the water and the color of roses you use to make your rose water will also determine the strength of your rose water. So I think I put enough rose water, and when you think about that, commercial rose water that you buy from the store, they are not as pink or red as this. Most of them are just like clear water because they don't use enough roses to make this kind of rose water. So you want to transfer this into a bottle. And I love adding some dry roses in here just to give it an awesome, amazing color. And when I add the dry roses, I also like to add a little bit of hyaluronic acid. This is hyaluronic acid, and this is optional. Hyaluronic acid is well known for its skin benefits.
especially alleviating dry skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and speeding up wound healing. It can also help relieve joint pain in people with osteoarthritis. So, this is a complete package. So, let's move on.
Very, very optional. So just a little pinch. Also in here I have citric acid.
So at this time, let us look at the benefits of citric acid for skin health. Yes, even though you can get citric acid from lemon and lime, but because this is rose water that you want to use continuously, and however you can just squeeze in some lemon into this rose water, but I just want to use the citric acid that I have at home. Benefits of citric acid: it brightens and lightens your skin. It helps to correct uneven skin tone. It also helps to soothe acne. It helps to unclog blocked pores. If you want to use it on your hair, on your scalp, it helps to fight dandruff. Remember, you can use rose water in your bathtub just to soak your entire self. So while it's doing the job on your skin, it is also helping to smoothen and take away dandruff on your scalp. It also helps to prevent wrinkles, and most especially it helps to balance your skin pH level. Towards the end of the video, I will leave you the content, I will leave you the link where you can get your own citric acid through Amazon.
Are the key to anti-aging and anti-wrinkle. I will also add, and I'm gonna mix it together. Yes, so your anti-aging rose water is ready for you. Now you can use your rose water. So you can put a little bit in your bath water. You can use it as a toner. You can use it as an antiseptic. You can use it so many ways to treat cuts, burns, and keep your skin very luscious and hydrated. Remember to store them in the fridge. Do not leave them outside because it is made mostly with fresh roses so that it doesn't get moldy. For your time, go ahead and make your own rose water with both fresh roses and dry roses.
So guys, I will leave the link in the first comment section. Please do me a favor. If you really love me, share this video. Click subscribe, like this video, leave me your thoughts and your comments. In the first comment section, I will leave the video that I did a couple of days ago where I really shared a whole lot of information about the benefits of rose water. However, if you're not able to buy your own rose water, I will also leave the link of Amazon at the first comment section where you can go ahead and purchase your own rose water. However, when you are purchasing your own rose water, this is if you're not able to make your own rose water, make sure, do yourself a favor, do me a favor, make sure you are buying organic rose water, because out there really there are some commercial rose waters out there. All they put in the bottle is just distilled water and some perfume, rose perfume in the bottle. So you're thinking that you're buying rose water, but you're not really buying rose water. So make sure of what you're buying. Rose is very expensive, but you know what? It doesn't hurt to know what you're applying on your skin.
Thank you for your time. So thank you for your time, and remember to share and subscribe. Bye.